each kindness test. Directions. Pick the answer choice that best answers the question. Who is the main character in the book? A. Maya, B. Chloe, C. Miss Roberts, or D. Little boy? Why does Chloe continue to ignore Maya? A. Maya is being mean to Chloe. B. Chloe is the leader of the group and decides who is friends with who. C. Chloe is following along with how other classmates treat her. Or D. She knows that the other girls will be jealous if she has another friend besides them. Miss Albert contributes to Chloe changing her feelings about Maya by A. Speaking privately with Chloe about her behavior. B. Doing the rock experiment about kindness. C. Telling the class that they need to include everyone in games. Or D. Introducing Chloe to Maya at lunch one day. Directions. Answer the question in a complete sentence as best as you can. What was the main character's role in the book? Please turn to the back. Internal and external conflicts. Directions. Use the bank to help you fill in the double bubble map. Answer choice 1. Knowing she will never be able to apologize for her wrongs. Answer choice 2. Knows Maya smells and is poor. Answer choice 3. Refuses to smile or be nice to Maya, the new girl. Or answer choice 4. Not playing with the other girl because she is weird and wants to fit in with the other girls. Please turn in your test when you are done.